Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a Google Chat. So I'm going to use this tutorial to show you the introductions of Google Chat. So Google Chats is doesn't have a particular apps in-app, like you download or install it on your computer, but you can use it on the Gmail. So if you have a Gmail account or maybe a Google workspace, you can easily use the Google Chat. If you don't see the Google Chat tab in here on the left panel, you need to activate it on the Gmail settings. So you need to go to settings and click on see all settings, go to the chat and meet tab in here, and you need to make sure that the chat is on Google Chats not off. And if you want to manage the chat settings, you can do that in here. So let's go to the chat. Okay, so this is the Google Chat homepage. You can see there is a thread, unread, and you can see I have a one unread message. You can just click on it to see it. And if you want to maybe start chatting with someone or add someone into Google Chat, you need to click on this new chat options and then just find the person's name, emails names in here. So if they have a Gmail account, it's pretty sure that they have Google Chat. But if they don't use Gmail as their domain email, I'm not sure whether they use the Google Chat or not. So you can just click on it, for example, and then click on start chatting, and in here you can just send the message to your colleagues or friends. And in the Google Chat you can add emoji, you can add GIF, you can upload a file, and you can also start a Google meeting directly from here. You can also attach file if you want to. There is a Google Workspace tools. You can attach a drive, Google Drive files, and also add a calendar invite. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click